Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making some rainbow soap. Quite honestly, I don't even know where this is going. Last time I did this, it changed dramatically halfway through the video, so I'm not setting anything in stone. I'm just going to go with the flow. The whole idea of this is to make a embed that is a rainbow soap. So I have done this before on camera, but I'm going to do it again. Just to show you, I'm going to pour 60 grams at a time into the mold until all my colors are done. So my colors are going to be purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and then pink. Once that's set, I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you because it'll probably change. This soap will be scented with monkey farts, but I won't be scenting the clear base with the color, only the clear base with the titanium dioxide. So there's going to be, I almost let the cat out of the bag. Anyway, the rest of the base, other than the colors, will be white. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so one thing I did forget was when I add the color, I'm also going to add a tiny bit of titanium dioxide because I don't want the clear to be a solid color. I want it to be more of a pastel type color, but still bright. You know, like an in-between neon. Okay, so I'll show you the first one. I've melted down 60 grams of clear base. Just going to spray a couple of rubbing alcohol into a little tiny container. Going to get my purple mica. Not going to use a lot because it's only 60 grams. And mix that in. Might need a bit more rubbing alcohol. Okay, so it's liquid. All the little tiny bad particles are all stuck to the side because they haven't dissolved properly. Not bad, I just don't want to spend hours and hours doing it, so tip that in there and all the bad bits are still at the bottom of the container. Okay, gonna mix that in. I'm gonna add some titanium dioxide, just a couple of drops. Just to give it a pastel feel. Okay, so it's bright, but it's not like super bright. Just gonna spray that. Spray the loaf. And here goes the first color. Want to get all that goodness. Okay, just give that a light spray. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat this for each color that I have on the table until it's done. So I'm going to fast forward this because there's no point me showing you every color. So here we go. Okay, so I've realized that one might not be enough for this project. So I'm going to make two. So I waited about 5 minutes between each layer setting because it's only 60 grams. So I'm going to spray both these. Okay, so from now on, I'm just going to pour the colors. I would like to make a lot more rainbow soaps. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more rainbow soap designs. Okay, I believe these are set now, so I'm going to take them out and see what they look like. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I like that. Okay, that's the second one. So they look identical. Okay, so here is the concept behind what I would like to try and do. I want to try and cut these into squares. So the height of this will be the length of it and the width of it as well. So I'll be cutting that into a little cube. Here we've got it at 2.5 centimeters, roughly. So it's about 2.2 to 2.3, somewhere around there. Anyway, so I'm going to cut these into little cubes and then I'm going to pack them into this mold and then tip white around it. Should be interesting, see how we go. I don't know if this is going to fill it up or not. I don't want them just sitting on top of each other like one after the other like that. I want them on all different angles. So hopefully the cubes will do that. Okay, so I've just marked out 2 cubes on the end here and there's a little bit left over. So I'm just going to cut them and see what happens. Okay, so they're my little cubes that I'm just going to fill the loaf with. So I'm going to cut all of these up. We'll see if we go from there. I have a whole heap of cubes just from one. I also have a whole heap of these little offcuts as well, which I'm not quite sure what I really want to do with, but they're interesting. I don't know, maybe they can sit on top or something. I'll figure that out in a minute. All right, they're all cut up. It's like being in a candy shop. It really is. They're just beautiful. So many of them. Rainbows everywhere. So over here I've got a little stockpile of little tiny rainbow embeds. I'm not sure what I'm really going to do with these. I'm going to have to ponder this for a few minutes. I know what these are going to be used for, but I have no idea what I'm going to do with these. Yeah, alright. Well, not exactly what I was hoping. I guess I was expecting them to be smaller. Maybe if I cut them into a quarter. No, that's not going to work. I'm just going to have to ponder this. I'm going to have to think about this. This has not worked out the way I wanted it. But okay, I'm going to be back in a minute. Okay, so I've lined up some of the cubes at the bottom here. And as you can see, they're on an angle slightly. And there's some little bits tucked away in the bottom right and the top right. I think that's the way I'm going to do it. I'm just going to pour the white soap over the top of this. So I'll be back in a minute when I'm prepared. Okay, so I just did some calculations. There's about 260 grams of embeds in here right now. I've got another 260 on the side here, and then I'll work out the difference and then pour the white soap in over the top. So based on my calculations, I need 580 grams of clear base, and then I'm going to add titanium dioxide to it and pour it in over the top. So I'm going to melt this down and we can get cracking. Okay, so I've got my 580 grams. I'm going to add some titanium dioxide to it. Want to make it nice and white. Okay, that's mixed in. Now I'm going to add the fragrance. So this is Monkey Farts from Aroma. I normally add 20 grams, which is 2%, to a loaf, which is 1 kilogram in total. But in this case, because it's only 580 grams, most of this is going to be embeds. So I still want that fragrance there. So I'm going to add 20 grams. All right, and I'll mix that in. So I am a little concerned with this because for one, there's not really enough space between each of these little embeds, so I don't know if it's going to stick properly. But because I've got them on an angle, when I go to cut it, it shouldn't be an issue. But it's something to be obviously concerned about and think about when you're doing something like this. If they were just crossways, then there would be an issue. So, but because they're on an angle, they shouldn't be. So let's get started with that. Okay, so this base is still at 150, which is 65. So this needs to cool down an awful lot before I can add it to the loaf. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, I just had like a brain fart. Normally I don't pour at this temperature that it's at the moment, which is, let me just scan that again, 147. So if I poured it, there is no doubt in my mind that it will melt these embeds. But here's the catch. Because they're cubes, it's not going to melt the inside of them. It's only going to melt the outside, and it's also going to bond them really nice. So I'm thinking I should pour right now and just fill it up until it's slightly over this, and then I'll add the second one in once that sets. This is dangerous territory right here, but I'm going to spray all these embeds really well. Okay, here we go. Okay, well, it's done now. I can't undo it, but a few air bubbles coming up. We'll see how that turns out in a few minutes. It's very opaque. I'll be back when this sets to add the second lot. Or actually, should I? Maybe I should do it now. Oh, this is dangerous. So, there. I knew these embeds come in handy for some reason. I'm just going to port them in over the top. All right, we're in very dangerous territory here, but anyway, let's give this a try. Just going to try and get some of these embeds to go down so they don't hang out of the soap. No, that one doesn't want to go down. Put a bit more in. All right, see, now I told you that project changed. I didn't anticipate doing that. I was going to do one layer and then wait and then put the second layer in, but I just threw it all in. And that's what happens. Sometimes you just got to act on your instinct and hopefully everything will turn out. So I don't think I'm going to be cutting this tonight because it's 8 o'clock. I should wake up in the morning and cut it. I'll try and get the video online as quick as possible. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm going to unmold this. I put this clear wrap on top just so that it doesn't get any dust or anything like that over the top of it. Oh no, there's little tiny bits. I knew that would happen. There's little tiny bits that the soap didn't get into because the blocks were too closely packed together. This is going to be interesting. Okay, let's. I'll clean this up. There's little bits of soap around the edges. I'll clean this up and then we can start cutting. So I've made some lines across the top and they're my cut lines and I'm going to cut. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. I'll just cut the end piece off first and then I'll cut the first piece. Okay, so my biggest fear is that these bars don't stick together and they fall apart. That would be a nightmare. So hopefully I get this right. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. I'm pretty happy with that. You know, I actually thought that there's a great big hole in that one. I actually thought that because I poured it hotter that it would have made the embeds melt a little bit, but it didn't for some reason. It's a pretty cool end piece. That's that thick. Very cool. So this turned out great. I'm really happy with this. I would have liked to have seen less holes. For example, this little one here has got like quite a large hole that's the soap didn't get into. Overall, I'm very happy with the results and I love the rainbow theme and it smells so good too. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.